Hey everyone, this is Will with Carolina Thread Place, and today we are going to be talking about needles. So as you can see here, we have a variety of needles, and we're actually missing a couple, but you know what, we can still talk about these. So with needles, what do? Well, they puncture our material to put thread through it. Simple, right? So we have universal needles, we have denim and jeans, microtech, sharp, embroidery, as well as jersey and ballpoint. So what do these do? Obviously this is for jeans and denim. This is an embroidery needle. Does that mean we only use that one? And what do we use a sharp needle for? And of course, jersey, we kind of understand that. And what is a universal? So this is what we're going to be discussing on the video today. So very obvious, jeans, denim. This one right here is if you want to embroider on a denim jacket or something really cool. It's 100/16. That's actually the size. They're both sizes. It's just which one that you are familiar with. So there you go. So what is the difference between a embroidery needle and a universal? Well, one size. These are 70, 80, and 90, while this one's a 75. So not really much difference there. The embroidery needle is just slightly different when it comes to the eye itself. It's made more towards, and if my camera can focus, it allows the thread to manipulate around so that it's not, because when sewing it just goes up and down and the thread goes back and forward. Well, in embroidery, thread can go every which way. So these are actually made a little bit better for that type of thread. It has a little nest area. Do you have to use embroidery needles? No. You can actually use universal. I personally do, and I tend to use the 14s. I actually use the 10s as well. So, what are microtech sharp needles? These are for, as the picture shows, you can use this for leather. And it even says, used with microfibers, polyester, silk, foils, artificial leather, coated materials. Very thin, accurate point creates beautiful top stitching and perfectly straight stitches for quilting pieces. So you can actually use this right here for vinyl or for leather. So really cool concept. Now, if you got a jersey or a very stretchy material and you don't want to pierce it constantly, this is a ballpoint. This will actually take the material and move it out of the way so the thread goes down, instead of what these do. These actually pierce the material. This does not. So there you have it, a quick overview of needles, what needle to use what. If you enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment below. I'm pretty sure I missed something or went over something too fast. Comment below, let me know, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.